What's up guys, Kawasaki Brad here. The ZX6 is coming along and it is Power Commander install day. I've been looking forward to this for a while. If you've been watching the videos in this series, they're all kind of leading up to this and a lot of prep work was involved. So yeah, finally getting to that part and putting Humpty Dumpty back together again. another one done. I still have an auto-tune module to install here, but after that it's going to be time to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about my somewhat unorthodox mounting location and install. I do appreciate the feedback, so leave that in the comments below. If you want to keep getting notifications every time I release a new video, please hit that subscribe button. Notice I ran a USB cable up here, so you don't have to take your seat off every time you need to plug this into a laptop. That part's important, and I think I forgot to put that into the video earlier. But yeah, other than that, go out, ride it like you're sponsored, have fun, and until next time.